Orbit Globe Plus app takes your child on an augmented reality-based journey around the world. It is fun, interactive, educational, and a great way to learn geography, history, environmental science, and more. The Orbit app is free on iOS and Android and compatible on several phones. Using the Globe and app, kids can explore 400 plus highlights and 1000 plus world facts across 6 categories including cultures, monuments, inventions, animals, maps, and the weather of various countries. The box comes with a 10-inch globe, passport, stamps, country flag stickers, and a detailed help guide. It is suitable for kids between 4 to 10 years. Its dimensions are 25.91 by 25.91 by 34.29 cm and it weighs 1.2.
You can convert them into bracelets, necklaces, and glow chains and magically transform the party in no time. When you give them a shake, the two liquids get mixed up and glow like magic. The sticks can glow super bright for up to 8 hours, and post that they start to fade out but may continue to emit sunlight for up to 12 hours. Not only are these a great pick for birthdays, but a dazzling